We all know this, but be safe when working in the posterior of the mouth.
Hi, my name is Dr. Mark McKilling. I'm a general dentist who practices out of New York State, and I'm here today to talk about this new device that I've been using in practice, the Taft Dental Implant Torque Wrench. This is it right here, and I just have to say I am absolutely loving it so far. I find that when I use dental implant torque wrenches, they're so small and I feel like I'm shoving so much of my hand in the mouth. Whereas with this, it's shaped like a handpiece, something that we are all used to using as general dentists. It's very easy to navigate in the mouth. The long, narrow shaft just makes it so easy to use. Secondly, it has this dial here at the bottom. It allows you to choose what Newton centimeter you'd like to torque the implants to. And a lot of other companies, they'll use something where you're depending on a spring and making sure that you went far enough, or you're waiting for something to snap. And this just gives you a very easy to understand just dial that you can dial here, and all you do is twist this handle here in order to get it to torque. I love using it so far. And the best part is it has all these different drivers that it comes with. 16 different drivers for each brand at different lengths. There's a guide as to which implants use which driver. And this is great because instead of having to have all these different wrenches for different implants and trying to figure it all out and keeping things organized, you just have one go-to device. One device, all the wrenches, easy to clean. It's just a game changer. So I highly recommend this. Go grab yourself one and thank me later.
So how does the ProSet variable torque driver from Taft Dental work? Well, it's pretty easy. At the base of the unit, you can select your torque range. At the head of the unit, you use the latch and lock system to insert in one of the 16 included driver tips. These are compatible with all major implant systems. Select the torque level at the base of the unit. Twist the handle to then engage the head of the driver. Look at that. Easily reach those hard-to-reach areas. No more worrying about patients swallowing abutments. This goes hand in hand with a throw pack and brings safety to the top of mind when working in the posterior of the mouth. Check it out.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Brian McCall from Liberty Lake, Washington. I just want to take a few moments to tell you about a variable torque driver from Taft Dental. This device right here has been a game changer in our office. We've all had the experience with implant hand drivers when placing crowns in the posterior area, whether it's on the top or bottom, and we have such a difficult time just with very limited space back there. Well, Taft Dental has taken that stress away. This little device right here is set at the perfect angle to make it so much easier to get to that posterior area. Plus it comes with variable torque settings at the bottom here, anywhere from 5 to 35 Newton centimeters. In addition to that, they've also given you 16 tips, which are very compatible with all major implant systems. If you're looking for a system that will totally be a game changer in your office for implant crowns, this is truly a must-buy from Taft Dental.